What's going on, guys? Tasche here. So glad to have you here. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be doing a review of a brand new automated smart chatbot called ChatterPal. But before I get into all that, guys, if you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe because I post videos every single day on internet marketing, ways to make money online, and ways that you can become a more successful home business entrepreneur. Also, if you would like to see my #1 recommended resource for making money from home, if you want to see what I'm doing, be sure to click the link in the description and I'll share more with you on exactly how you can do that. So guys, ChatterPal is a brand new automated smart chatbot that's coming to you from Ponna and his team. Now, Paul and his team are the ones behind successful software such as VideoPal, Video Builder, Animation Studio, and many others. What they've done with ChatterPal is they've created an automated chatbot, but they've also added in their revolutionary full animation text-to-speech engine that gives you fully animated characters that actually will speak the words that you enter in as a text. You can also upload an audio, etc. And the animation is so good that it looks as if they're actually speaking the words that you enter either through a text file, just typing it in yourself, or you can even, like I said, you can actually do your own voice, or you can actually upload a file. And we'll go through all that here in a little bit. But guys, right now, I'm gonna give you a couple of important dates to remember. Now, today is the 26th of February, as I'm doing this video. A couple important dates you want to keep in mind. First of all, ChatterPal is currently in pre-launch. Now, you have a chance to win a free copy of the software if you pre-register and you attend the pre-launch webinar. Now, the pre-launch phase is going from the 24th to the 28th. Okay, so there's 2 days left of the pre-launch. The pre-launch webinar, is going to happen at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 28th of February. The sales page for the product is going live on the 28th at 3 p.m. and the cart closes on March 7th at 11:59 p.m. Okay, so those are the important dates to keep in mind, guys. So right now, as I'm making this video, you actually have a chance to pre-register for the pre-launch webinar and actually have a chance to win a free copy of the software. Okay, so right now I'm showing a preview of the sales page. The sales page is not live yet. It will be going live on the 28th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But right now, you can actually go and register for the pre-launch webinar. Now, you just click the same link down below in the description, and it'll take you to the pre-launch page. Now, if you happen to come in after the 28th, after 2 p.m. or 3 p.m., you're going to go straight to the sales page. So, what you can do, guys, go ahead and just take the time to look over the sales page yourself. I'm not going to spend too much time reading through it here. You can get all the information you need just by reading yourself. But you want to go through and kind of check out all the different features that you're going to be getting access to. I mean, I've used this. I'm a beta tester for this product, and I absolutely love it. It's just something that I'm going to be using for all of my promotions and all of my websites from now on. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of skip through, or just kind of scan through this real quick, guys. I don't want to spend too much time on it. Again, you can read the sales page yourself. Just give me scroll down to the bottom here. And Paul always offers a money-back guarantee on his products. So if there's any issues, you're not happy with it, whatever, for any reason, you can just send a support ticket in, and he'll get you a refund, no questions asked. So you really can't. There's no risk in getting this, guys. You can't lose. Okay, and it's going to be $37 one time starting out. Okay, and of course it's going to be going up after the launch. Now, let me go ahead, guys, and real quick, I'm going to go into the members area. Okay, and we're going to take a tour around the software and kind of see how easy it is to work with. Okay, so here I'm logged into my account, and keep in mind that I have full access to everything. So what you're going to see may not be the front-end product only access, because I have full access. But I'm going to go through the OTOs as well, so you can see exactly what you're going to be getting when you go through the sales process. So actually, let's do it first. Let's go ahead real fast and let's go ahead and talk about the front-end product and the OTOs. So we're going to discuss the sales funnel, and the funnel is 4 OTOs with this. Okay, so first the ChatterPal front-end product, the ChatterPal software, which you're actually going to get commercial rights to as well, so you can actually use it for your clients. $37, and ChatterPal, as it says here, is a revolutionary technology designed to boost sales, leads, and results using several industry-leading features and artificial intelligence. It emerges cutting-edge interactive 3D avatar technology, okay, and you'll see that in action here in a minute, with AI-backed smart chat automation to deliver results like no other chat app in the market. Okay, now I've used other chatbots before, and they were all overcomplicated and they didn't really work the way they're supposed to. ChatterPal is very easy and it works great. So what you're going to get 43 interactive 3D avatars, and I'll show those in a minute. You're going to get male, female, and animals with logo mapping. Now, logo mapping I'll explain here in a second. It's pretty cool. 55 premium text-to-speech voices in 25 languages. It's the same voice technology that powers Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Okay, so high-tech, very clean, very crisp voices. You're going to get 10 ready-made chat templates. So you can customize the templates as you like to create your own. So you can actually either write your own from scratch, or you can plug one in that's already ready to go, designed for certain topics and niches, and just edit it as you need it. Fluid logo mapping technology. Okay, you can map any logo onto the 3D avatars. The logos automatically adapt to the movements of the avatar. So you can actually have your company logo appear on the T-shirt of the avatar, for example, and as the avatar moves around, it will move with the avatar as if it's actually on the avatar shirt itself. Artificial intelligence chat automation technology. Okay, you can offer coupons, book appointments, take custom orders, offer customer support, and a whole lot more. Smart analytics, get instant feedback, and find winning campaigns. All right. Live link technology. Okay, you can add ChatterPals to websites you don't own. Okay, and we'll show you how to do that in a minute. You can. There's green screen removal. You can actually upload your own green screen spokesperson, so you can actually create a video of yourself, if you wish, on a green screen, and then they can actually upload it, and we'll take the green screen out for you. Attention grabbing emoticons pack. You can create unlimited chat flows, and of course you get the commercial license as well. First upsell is the ChatterPal Deluxe version for $44. Now, with this you can unlock 13 additional 3D avatars immediately. One new avatar each month for 1 year, no monthly or yearly fees. 15 additional advanced chat templates, animated emoticons pack, advanced multi-thread chat branching, unlimited number of chat blocks, unlimited video hosting, professional voiceovers from hot niches, and VIP support. Upsell 2 is the agency license for ChatterPal, $67. With this, you can adjust the speed and pitch of text-to-speech, which means more flexibility. So you can make the voices sound faster, higher, lower, slower, however you want to do it. This to give yourself a more unique voice with each selection you have. 25 additional chat templates from popular hot niches. Zapier integration, so you can actually use Zapier to integrate ChatterPal with your autoresponder. Okay, start building a list through your chatbot. You can remove the Powered by ChatterPal branding. Now, by default, there is a Powered by ChatterPal branding on the chatterbot, on the chatbots, and on the avatar. With this, you can actually remove that branding. Okay, 25 green screen video, which are the same niches as the chatbot. So you have the chat templates, excuse me. So you get 25 green screen videos in the same niches as the chat templates. So we actually have video spokespersons that you can use with those templates in those niches. You're gonna get double the 3D avatar TTS, text-to-speech speaking length, so longer presentations to your chatbots or to your avatars. Fill in the blank client briefs and contracts, 5 initial licenses for your agency or your team, choice of unbranded generic instant URL domains to show previews to clients. Okay. Upsell 3, ChatterPal Premium, and by the way, you'll be able to learn about all these in more detail when you go through the sales process. Okay. Upsell 3, or OTO 3, ChatterPal Premium Voice Pack, $37. You're going to get ChatterPal Premium included. ChatterPal Premium included 49 ultra premium text-to-speech voices that are not available anywhere else. These are the most lifelike voices available on the web right now. Okay, these voices are generally pay per use and would cost you thousands of dollars to license. today you can get access to these ultra premium lifelike voice pack for low one-time payment. Okay, so these are the most advanced text-to-speech voices you're gonna ever find anywhere else. Okay, you won't find anything like this anywhere. No recurring cost, unlimited usage. Upsell for ChatterPal International. This upgrade activates a very powerful and unique feature in the app that audibly detects where the website visitor is coming from and translates the chat to that language without any human intervention needed. So your chatbot, it'll actually automatically translate the text for you in the chatbot, depending upon the location of your visitor. Okay. This is pure artificial intelligence at play. You'll be able to maximize your conversations and sales as the chat sell to people in their native tongue. So you can start selling and converting customers in other countries. Say you live in the United States, you can start converting customers in Germany, India, China, all over the world. Customers can also activate an option to show languages drop-down within the chat box. This enables the website visitor to choose their language from a drop-down manually. Both auto detect and language drop-down work together to maximize results by targeting global audience. So, whether your customer wants to choose their own language, or you want to have it automatic, or can automatically do it too. Either way, this way you can convert customers in other countries who speak other languages. Great value there. Nothing like this has ever been done before. Okay, so guys, that is the full funnel of ChatterPal. Now let's go into the members area again. Usually I like to do the OTOs last, but I want to go over those real quick for you so you can see which features that you're going to see in my demo here, which ones you're going to be able to get with the front-end product and with the OTOs. Okay, so I'm logged in here, and you come to the home page. You're going to see updates right here. You can actually edit your account details here. Go to my campaigns. Okay, you have I created a campaign for ChatterPal itself, and I created one for a company that I'm promoting, and there's a couple of tests right here that you can check out. So all we do, guys, is really simple. What you want to do is you want to go here and click New Campaign. Okay, then you're going to choose Chat and Avatar or Avatar only. So you can choose, you can have both, or you can have just the Avatar. So we choose Chat and Avatar. Okay, and then I can go through and choose an avatar here. I got this set here. We can actually add logos. Okay, and there's actually several pages here of characters. I can go to the 3D avatars. Okay, and again, there's 4 pages to go through. And get a cartoon animals avatars. Okay, right here, and then we also have a green screen. Okay, which you can actually upload your own green screen videos. Okay, so if we go back to logos. And we just go ahead and choose this one here. I'm going to choose a DV. Okay, you can actually choose a close-up or a full-body, far-away avatar. We choose the DV here. Okay, we click on her, and we can press preview to show how she actually moves around. Okay, so you get her mouth moving. She's moving her hands around. Okay, see exactly what she does. We close her out. Okay, once you've selected your avatar, you click next. Okay, and then text to speech. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and we can choose US English. Okay, and if I can choose, let's choose Sally. Okay, let's play her voice.
Hello, my name is Sally. You can pick me as your text-to-speech human-like voice engine for your video avatar.
Okay, and then here's a couple of the advanced voices right here. Okay, these voices sound a lot more lifelike. Okay, so I gotta fix that real quick. My access to that, I don't know what's going on, but I had access to it, test it out, so they must be doing some testing on it. So anyway, let me go ahead and we're gonna choose Sally. Now we can upload a video, or we can actually record an audio. Okay, so I'm just gonna type in some real quick. Hi, I'm just gonna type in hello. Welcome to our website. please let us know if you need any assistance. So yeah, what you're trying to put here is going to depend upon what you're actually selling or promoting. Okay. Thank you. And have a great day. Okay, so now we're going to click import speech, and then we're going to play the audio and test it out.
Hello and welcome to our website. Please let us know if you need any assistance. Thank you, and have a great day.
Okay, so this is a little quick blurb right there. So next we go and click next, and now you're going to choose the color style for the chatbot. So we can choose, the green, blue, the blues here, the orange and red, different colors. So I want to keep it here, and here we're going to choose logo. Okay, so if we choose logo, we click choose. Okay, I'm going to choose the ChatterPal logo. Okay. Now, as you can see here, it appears on her clipboard. Now, some avatars will appear on the T-shirt, on their hat, or different parts. So, with this, in this case, this avatar, it appears on the avatar's clipboard. Okay. Typing animation, you can actually have it show this as if you're on Facebook Messenger, it shows that this kind of animation when someone's typing. Okay, you can have that right there to show. Mirror avatar means you can actually have her move around from one side to the other. Okay, I'm going to send her back. I like the original positioning better. Okay, and then click next. Okay, with chat dialog, we can click add action, and you can actually create your own chat bot from scratch, or we can also go and click on ready-made chats, and we can choose one that we want to use. So let's see appointment booking. Let's try that, and let's load that up. Okay, and it's going to give us the flow right here of the chatbot. Okay, and so let's go ahead and let's click next. Okay, and we can change the positioning of the avatar on the page, okay, to the exact pixel position we want. I'm just going to keep it kind of a default as it is, and we can autoplay it. Okay, and with Google Chrome and other browsers that don't allow autoplay, it will actually play. Use like an animation to get the attention of your visitors, so they'll actually want to click and play the avatar. So. And you can choose a play button. You can choose, let's say, text only. I like this one here. Click for sound. I like that better. And then we're going to keep it on the right, and click next. Okay, so you can play once per visit. You can show a mute button. You can start the chatbot minimized. You can do blackout mode, which actually blocks the entire website and just has the avatar appear only, and then once the avatar is done, the website comes back in view. You can hide the avatar after the introduction, so once they've talked and finished speaking, the avatar will disappear. And of course, the autoplay feature, start playback muted. You can use attention grabber animation. You can do the text only right here, as it says. Okay, and go ahead and click next. Okay, you can put an exit campaign name. We're going to put test campaign 1. Exit message. This is a message that the visitor's going to see in the chat when they try to exit. So, thank you for visiting. You can also add emoticons, also animated emoticons as well. So let's go and use this one here. Can automatically translate the text to the visitor's language. Okay, and yeah, I don't know what that is, guys, because I had full access, and for some reason I'm actually just getting I think they're making some adjustments because we're getting close to launch. You need to go power by branding. You can choose ChatterPal IO, which is the branding, or choose none. Okay. Facebook post, you can actually create a Facebook post title and description, so you can actually add this to a Facebook post as well if you want to. And your instance site domain name, okay, you can choose any of these here. URL to show, you can actually show a different URL. So I'm actually going to show my blog. And here. Alright. And then click Create Campaign. Okay. Now, I'm going to click Save and Create. Okay. Now that's going to take a few minutes to actually render, so I'm going to go ahead and pause this video, and we're going to come back when the video is completely, when the chatbot and avatar are completely rendered. So I'm going to pause. I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back, and as you can see here, it took about 7 minutes to fully render this chatbot and avatar, so pretty quick. But here I can get the code and URL for the chatbot. I can check analytics. I can look at the chat. So each time a customer comes in and uses your chatbot, it's going to record all the chat actions, so you can actually go back and follow up with that customer using the data here. And of course I can edit it, I can copy it, I can delete it. So if I click preview, the preview is going to pull up, and here's my website. It's going to be a preview.
Hello and welcome to our website. Please let us know if you need any assistance. Thank you, and have a great day.
Alright, I think for some reason my internet was really slow, so let me try this again. Okay, and go back to ChatterPal. That should have actually showed up correctly. Alright, 1 second guys. And what I'm going to do guys, I'm also going to play Paul's demo as well for you in this review, so you can actually see, because Paul does a better job explaining how the software works. Let me go to my campaigns again. Let me go to get code or URL. So I can actually paste this code inside my website if I want to, or I can actually just use this URL here. Okay. So if it doesn't show up, guys, I think I'm gonna have to edit something. So let me go ahead and just bear with me real quick. Let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, so let me do one more thing. I think I need to edit this real fast. Let me go and pause, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I figured out what was wrong. I had the position of the avatar going from the left to the right, or I had a position. I'll show you. I had a position to go on the left side, where the avatar is actually hidden off screen. So I moved it. So I'm gonna go ahead and preview now. And actually, what I did was I actually change the chatbot to a different chat flow, which is a chat flow you could use to get people to sign up to your email list. So let's go ahead and check out the preview.
Hello and welcome to our website. Please let us know if you need any assistance. Thank you, and have a great day.
So what you can do is you can actually, when you edit your campaigns, you can actually edit where it says site name. You can actually edit, the name of your site. The avatar's name here. If I put my name in, I'm gonna put I'll put my name here. Okay, so you can see the chat flow in action. Okay, Skype keeps popping up. And of course, it's nice to meet you, Kurt, and a little emoticon there, or a little emoji there. And it says, would you like to sign up for our mailing list? I'm gonna click, I'm gonna check yes. It says great. Okay, what email address should I use? So I'm going to put my Gmail address. Oops. Sometimes Skype's great, but sometimes it just pops up, at the worst possible times. So I'm going to put in my Gmail address. Unfortunately, wearing bifocals kind of sucks sometimes. You have to go real far in sometimes to see. Click OK, and then the chatbot can answer. Awesome, you are now registered to our newsletter. Okay, that's it. And then, of course, we exit out and we're done. Okay, so guys, now what I'm going to do, I want to go ahead and just go ahead and close it, minimize that, and close this. Actually, we're going to go back to the members area. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to do now is I want to go ahead, I want to actually play Paul's demo for you, okay, because Paul does a great job of explaining how the chatbot works, okay, and how everything flows together. So let's go ahead and play Paul's demo, and I'll be back to close out the video. So I'll be back in just a second.
Hi there, this is Paul Ponna, and I'm super excited to go through the demo of the brand new ChatterPal app, which is easily my best ever creation to date. ChatterPal has been in development for over 3 years now, right from 2016, and it has features that no other app out there has for any price, which means there is no alternative, and this is the only place your customers or even you can get access to these breakthrough features that are part of ChatterPal. Now, ChatterPal is for everyone, regardless if they have a website, blog, or a funnel, or even for that matter, if they're even sending traffic to other sites or affiliate offers or leveraging other people's content using the revolutionary live link technology that is part of ChatterPal. Now, we've thought through everything. Over the last 3 years, we perfected a lot of these technologies through trial and error. And yes, it's compatible with mobile devices, iPads, and also with the brand new updates with Google Chrome browser and so on regarding autoplay. We have an intelligent solution for that as well. So what is ChatterPal exactly, and what's the benefit of having ChatterPal at your disposal? Well, if you have a website, blog, affiliate offer, or any page, and you're looking to increase more sales, more leads, book more appointments if it's an offline business, or for that matter, if you're just looking to get better results, ChatterPal is a must-have. So we've integrated features like, for instance, we've put in brand new next generation 3D avatars built from scratch by professional animators. And we've also integrated, animal avatars as well. These are, by the way, fully animated. And on top of that, they are almost lifelike. And I'll show you some examples in video format in just a bit. On top of that, we've also integrated smart chat automation, which is basically not only do you get a 3D animated interactive avatar speaking with your audiences, which means it's going to drive more attention, more conversions, and more leads, yes, but also you have customization when it comes to the chat itself. You see right beside the avatar, you have that chat going in, and this is fully customizable, meaning you can add specific text, specific responses, specific flows, and more importantly, you can also add videos, images. Even for that matter, you can collect phone numbers, leads, you can do all kinds of good stuff with it, which was not possible with anything else out there. Now, this is a big distinction between chatbots, right? The reason why this is more powerful than a chatbot and completely different is the fact that the entire system has been built using the data that we've collected with our previous apps like VideoPal and so on, where we've had tens of thousands of users and customers using it and their suggestions and so on. And we had all that data collecting, and one of the biggest things is when it comes to a website, the longer that you keep a person on your website, the more revenue your website is going to get, the more leads it's going to get, and ultimately you'll be getting better results than what you're getting currently. One of the coolest features of ChatterPal is the ability to have logo mapping on any 3D avatar or animal avatar, or even for that matter, specific objects that are part of the animated avatar itself, like a bag, or for example their shirt, or for example a notepad that they're holding, and that sort of thing. And that is dynamic, meaning even when they're moving around things and they're shaking and so on, it will be adaptive based on their movements, and I'll show you that in just a second. Here's an example of ChatterPal on my e-commerce website.
Hello, my name is Cami. Thank you for visiting our website. We are thrilled and excited to have you here. We value your time and would like to offer you a special coupon code to get an amazing discount. This coupon code is only available for a limited time, so take advantage right now and grab this special deal.
Now, if you see the bag she's holding, this part right here, you see that part right there? That is the logo that is mapped. And this can be any logo of your choice. You just import the logo in and boom, it's gonna get track and also adapt to that exact bag, and it's regardless of what size your logo is and so on, it's going to resize automatically. And the beauty is you can use this exact technology on unlimited websites, including client websites. And on top of that, we have animated emoticons that will allow you to also captivate people's attention, because you're literally getting a 24/7 chat agent working for you on your website or your client's websites. Because remember, we're including the commercial license as part of the front end offer, which means every single user has the ability to not only improve their own conversions, leads, and revenue from their own websites, but also as an agency get other people's websites, whether it's an offline business, whether it's an e-commerce store, or whether it's even a simple funnel that another business has. They can also get better results than what they're currently getting by increasing their leads, increasing their revenue, and having a 24/7 chat agent work on their website without having to pay any recurring fees every single month, right? And because of the fact that it's for unlimited websites, just the possibilities are limitless. Talking about possibilities, we have to also talk about the great flexibility that is also part of ChatterPal, and that is powerful chat flows that you can build with the app. And the beauty is we pre-integrated existing chat flow templates, but also you have the flexibility to create any type of chat flow that you want, which can be intelligent. It can actually get people to do appointment booking or lead generation, generate more sales, give away discount coupons, and a whole lot more. This is just the start. On top of that, we also have the world's best text-to-speech integrated in close to 50 voices, male and female, in multiple languages as well. So you can target people from around the world. You can also record your own audio from within the app itself, or even upload a professional voiceover that you have from elsewhere into the app. And again, all of this will be lip synced perfectly with every single avatar that we have available, whether it's 3D avatar, a mascot, and so on. And on top of that, also comes with built-in language translation as well, which means, let's say you wanted to create an existing avatar and translate it over into a different language like Spanish, Portuguese, German, and so on. You can do that straight from within the app itself using the auto translate feature that is built in. ChatterPal also comes with complete analytics, so you can track everything from one easy to use dashboard. And the beauty is, with all this data, your ChatterPal is only going to get smarter and smarter over time, and that is going to allow you to get more sales, more leads, and better results going forward, which is just powerful. Now let me show you some case studies, and as well as real life offline as well as online businesses that can actually benefit with ChatterPal. Restaurants can use ChatterPal and its built-in themed avatars like chefs and so on to generate more leads, offer special discounts, or even take orders automatically. Dentists can grow their client base by booking more appointments or answering frequently asked questions 24/7 without the need for a sales team or a receptionist and so on. Consultants and agencies can onboard more clients and build their brand without having to be in front of the camera. Affiliate marketers can use the revolutionary live link technology to leverage other people's sites' content to get more leads, sales, and conversions with their traffic for any affiliate offer of their choice. Authors and digital marketers can sell more of their books, courses, digital products, and more by handling objections of their prospects and empowering their customers by taking feedback and analytics using the 3D avatars as well as the smart chat automation. You can also use the built-in green screen removal technology. You can even put your own video or spokesperson video of your choice to build your own brand, generate more leads and sales, like you see on my screen right now, where I am on the screen. I am actually closing more leads and sales where it's embedding my own video, where you can put your own green screen or chroma key video, where the software automatically removes the green screen and makes it a transparent video like you see on my screen right now, making it professional, building your brand, and yes, getting you more sales. And e-commerce sites can offer discounts or coupon codes, shipping information, and even customized product recommendations based on actual user responses. Now that you've seen the true power of ChatterPal, Let me jump into ChatterPal app and show you how easy it is to create a campaign with a ChatterPal like the one that you see on my screen right now. This is the easiest part. That's the reason why I left it for the last. So let's just jump in and show you how quickly you can set up your own ChatterPal campaign like the one you see on your screen right now. All you have to do is just jump into the app, click on My Campaigns, then click New Campaign, and it's going to ask me select type, whether chat and avatar or just avatar only. I'm going to use chat and avatar option. Then we go to the next step. Here we can choose all our 3D avatars. By the way, here's where you have those 3D avatars as well on top, and then animal avatars as well, and the option for green screen here where you can upload your own green screen video or spokesperson video and so on, and create a ChatterPal from that as well. So I'm gonna just choose one of the avatars available here, and I'm gonna choose Cami because she was also on that e-commerce website example I showed you. So we will choose either the full or the close-up. So I'm just gonna choose the close-up here, and then we click next after we've chosen. And then after that, we can just go to language and choose a script and then a voice, okay? You can use from any of the ready-made scripts that you have down here, or for that matter, you can paste anything of your choice or type anything that you want to do, have customization. You can start choosing the voice. We have, as you can see, a lot of different languages and different voices in male and female as well, okay? So that is another option. So I'm just going to use voice as Sally here, and then I'm just going to click the button called import speech. What this is going to do is going to generate that text into speech. You can play it once.
Welcome to our e-commerce site.
So you can just preview it this way and then click next. And after that, you can choose color themes for your chat. So I'm just going to choose this one of these just to make it more unique. But you can choose different color options of your own. You can even change the avatar's name to whatever you want to do in the chat window. And on top of that, we have that logo image. This is that logo mapping I was telling you about. So if you click choose and just put any logo of your choice, automatically it's going to resize it and fit it perfectly for that bag. And even when she's moving around, it's going to map it perfectly. So it's almost going to look like it's a real bag and it was actually made for your own brand. And then you can also do this cool stuff where you can have the mirror effect. So if you want the bag to be held in a right hand rather than left, you can just click this one button and automatically it's going to convert that over into a right hand like you see here. And that is depending on where you want to put your avatar, right? If you want to put it left, middle, center, or for that matter to the right, it's up to you, right? You get that option. And then you can deselect some other options like you see here. If you click next, you can start using the actions. If you click add actions, as you can see, we have a lot of entire chat flow you can create where you can put your own videos in the chat depending on responses, pictures, questions, yes, no, or URL where you can send people to a different page in your website or some other website. You can add buttons where, for example, if they click on that button, they'll land in a checkout page or wherever you want them to go. You can add emoticons like you see here, animated emoticons and so on and so forth. And you can also do other cool things like collecting phone numbers and calendar appointments and that sort of thing that you can set. And on top of that, you can also collect their email without having to build any forms and that sort of thing. I'm just gonna do the easy setup here, which is basically using one of the ready-made chat flows, right? And I'm gonna just click load, and it's gonna load as a ready-made chat flow. So you can change the name. So I'm gonna change it over to Cami, and then once you've done that, click save, and boom, it's ready to go. And you can add any of these extra actions right here based on what they say or do. For example, they say yes, do this, no, do that, and I can extend it even further as well. Okay, for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to click next, but you can customize it to your heart's desire. And in the very next step, you have the positions where you want your avatar to appear, left, middle, or right. I'm just going to leave it at right. And if you want specifically where you want it, you can also adjust it even further to make it perfectly where you want it to appear based on adjusting these numbers. Then you have other options like play once per visit, which is based on sessions, so it's not going to appear more than once. And you can black out more, which would be if the avatar is playing, the entire screen is blacked out, gives it more attention. Or you can show a mute button, right? It's going to show a mute button if you select that. Or you can hide the avatar after introduction. So after the avatar starts speaking, you just want the chat to appear, you want the avatar to disappear. You can do that by clicking this button. Or for that matter, there are other options as well, like for instance, attention grabber animation. When you click this, it is especially useful for Chrome browsers and so on, where you want it to auto play an animation. And if they click that play button or whatever style that you choose here in the drop down menu, it's going to start playing with the audio. Okay, so this beats that Chrome autoplay issue for the Chrome browser. So once you do that, click next, and then you can just choose a campaign name. I'm just gonna choose e-commerce Cami, and then you can also put an exit message. I just created a simple message that we look forward to seeing you soon, and I put a smiley face, which was the animated smiley face that you see right here. And then after that, I just click the next button, which is create campaign. You see that instant site domain name option? This one right here is the actual instant live link technology, where you can start sharing these links without having to embed this on your own websites and so on. If you, let's say, you wanted to quickly share it in social media or embed your ChatterPals on other sites and leverage other content, you can start sharing this in social media, your email lists, or even any advertising campaigns of your choice. So all you have to do is click create campaign, and I'm just going to click save and create, and boom, you're done. That's how easy it is, and that's how quickly you can have your very own ChatterPal created. And then you can edit any of the existing campaigns later on, and then start making changes if something was not right. And on top of that, the rendering is really fast, maybe a few minutes max, and you're ready to go. And this concludes the demo of the ChatterPal app. I look forward to having you test it and enjoy the results that you get with the brand new ChatterPal app.
Alright guys, so now that you've seen exactly how ChatterPal works, okay, now that you've seen how powerful it is, I'm also, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click the link in the description, and that's going to take you to my bonus page, my special bonus page, and I'm going to be giving you over $2,000 in bonuses, and I may be adding more as well. Okay, you're going to go over $2,000 in bonuses, actually $2,900 in bonuses. And again, I'll maybe be adding more as well. Bonuses that are going to fit well with ChatterPal, okay, to help you enhance your purchase of the software, help enhance your usage. But guys, personally, in my opinion, I've used all of Paul's video software. I've used VideoPal, Video Builder, or VideoPal. I've used ChatterPal now, of course. I've used Animation Studio. I've used all of Paul's video software, and they're all great. ChatterPal, I think, is a step above all of those, because not only do you get the avatars and the text-to-speech that are famous in all of his other software, but you also get the automated chatbot as well, which you can use to, what's really important about this, guys, you understand, is that it's not about trying to make your website look cool. Okay, what it is the longer a person stays on your website, the higher the chance of converting that person into a subscriber, a customer, a follower, etc. Okay, so the longer you can keep them on your website, the higher the conversion rates are. Okay, because remember, people are distracted easily. If you can't get their attention within 2 seconds, you're going to lose them. So keep them on as long as possible. Okay, there's a higher chance of you selling something to them, converting them into a customer, converting them into a subscriber on your email list, a follower on your social media. Okay, whatever. Just use your imagination. Your imagination there's no limits to what you can do with this. Okay, so I personally am going to be using ChatterPal with all my websites right now. I'm just using it on all my campaigns, all my promotions, and I suggest you do too. So guys, remember the pre-launch web. Right now we're in pre-launch right now, so you can actually win a free copy of the software. The pre-launch webinar is going to happen on the 28th at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, at 3 p.m. and during the webinar is where you can actually win a free copy. The launch of the software is actually going to be 3 p.m. that same day on the 28th, and it's going to go and be live until March 7th at 11:59 p.m. Now, after the launch, it'll still be available, but it's going to go way up in price. And a lot of the features and OTOs, etc., are going to have monthly fees instead of the one-time fees that you're going to see during the actual launch itself. So, I highly suggest. In fact, don't sit on this. Click the link down below. Go check out my bonuses, okay? And from that bonus page, you'll be able to pick up your copy of ChatterPal, okay? Now, again, if you're watching this before the launch, before the webinar, pre-launch webinar, you can actually register to win a free copy. Even if you don't win the free copy, however, I do suggest you pick this up, because it's going to make a big difference in your conversions on anything you're promoting, okay? So, with that, guys, it's Kurt Tasche. Thanks again for watching. And once again, if you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe, because I post videos every single day on internet marketing, ways to make money online, and ways that you can become a more successful home business entrepreneur. And if you'd like to see my #1 recommended resource for making money from home, be sure to click the link in the description, and I'll share more with you on exactly how you can do that. With that, guys, it's Kurt again. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day. Take care, and talk to you soon.